Hello there and welcome to BIOL3238, Insect Structure, Function and Physiology. It's a great pleasure to have you enrolled in this course, and I look forward to an amazing semester learning about the weird and whimsical world of insects together. If you've not done the base course BIOL2205, Insect Science, it's a highly recommended prerequisite course before this one. But if you haven't done that course or have no room in your degree, not to worry. At specific points throughout your learning in this course, we'll make reference to the open access online textbook available that was developed for the base course 2205. So hang tight, no problem. It just might require you to do a little bit of extra work on your part. I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the many lands upon which we get to learn about Australian entomology. I recognize their important role in cultural and spiritual and also scientific connections to country. And I recognize that many of our Indigenous communities and leaders are in fact Australia's first entomologists that have a great passion for the land and a really, really shrewd observation of what insects could do and what insects and how insects could be used. You're probably familiar with how some of our insects were used as a food resource, particularly in times of hardship. This and many other stories make learning about indigenous insects really exciting. And we hope to bring some of that to you in this course. The teaching team is made up of a phenomenal group of entomologists in the School of the Environment. My name is Gurian, and I'll be coordinating the course, and I am, unsurprisingly, the youngest of the group. I'd also like to introduce the other entomologists who will be teaching you and working with you in class. Associate Professor Lynn Cook is a phenomenal taxonomist, and she's done so much work and has amalgamated ecology and genetics to describe so much amazing life here in Australia. She's also the coordinator of BIOL 3232, that's the summer insect identification course, as well as the systematics course BIOL 3209. We also have Professor Mike Furlong, who is also going to be teaching in this course. Mike was actually my PhD supervisor, so we've come a long way now, Mike and I. And you'll be all seeing all of us in various shapes and forms throughout the semester. We're really looking forward to that. Of course, this course is built on the back of many other entomologists who have taught before. And I'd like to acknowledge two in particular. Dave Merritt and Bronwyn Cribb. They actually taught me when I was studying at UQ in undergraduate. And now to be able to take the torch from them, hopefully I get an opportunity to pass this torch to one of you that I will be teaching in this course in the future. Dave and Bronwyn have developed a significant proportion of the online material that I've updated and adapted. So I really want to acknowledge their work. You'll also find that so many of the amazing images that you get to enjoy in the course is also from their contribution. So thank you, Dave, and thank you, Bronwyn. And we are all looking forward to learning with you this semester.